Meaning of Edward Fitzgerald.
Edward Fitzgerald.
Edward Fitzgerald.
Edward Fitzgerald.
Edward Fitzgerald. Edward Fitzgerald was a 19th-century English poet and translator. He is best known for his translation of the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam, a collection of Persian poems. Fitzgerald's version was published in 1859 and has since become one of the most popular translations of the work. Fitzgerald was also a friend of many well-known writers and artists of his time, including Dante Gabriel Rossetti and William Morris. Despite his prolific literary career, Fitzgerald struggled with alcoholism and depression throughout his life. He died in 1883 at the age of 74.